Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm gonna be showing the first mid-race I finished. It's the Athena Sport we built with the Hebo. It's late, as you can see. I had to find a good spot with lighting so you can see it, because the client will pick it up in like 1 hour. So I hurried up and to show you the results. I have already the results. I measured it a few times. I measured it now also with the new belt. So basically all the parts are the same. Only thing I changed here is the pulley, the variator pulley. We put the Malossi race one because with the Polini variator you cannot use the electric starter. That's the only unfortunate thing on this setup. And also no electric starter, and the Hebo is a little bit too loud, so it's kind of bad. But otherwise all things, it's overkill for daily. Even the customer tried it, he said it's insane. So yeah, we overdid it. I just need to put the cover back on. I show you, this is the FlyWheel I make for the Euro 4, and we have basically Euro 4 ignition modified. Here we have the FlyWheel by me, and we have the rim up CDI pretty much. And parts here: Polini crankshaft, OM bearings, Athena Sport ported, stage 2 for daily driving. We have the Hebo Racing Replica 2. As you will see, there is no big top speed because we need the overrange belt here, the bigger one, so it can go like 5 more. But the client drive this scooter for work, so he said like 107, 105 is enough. He will never even drive it that much. Basically he wanted torque scooter, and it's insane torque. Like, it has torque like high-end. You cannot start this scooter, it's impossible. I had to buy also new tire because the meters was spinning at 50. Even this one, in when you are leaning and you give full throttle, it also throws it. So it's a little bit risky. I would say that's the only negative thing here. Other parts in transmission, I left the stage 6 sheet pulley. It is the belts very fast, like 60 kilometers one belt. So basically the Polini belt we bought, it's done, it's out. Now I put original one just to show you this driving around, and I will pull it out and put back the Polini, so the pulley can set in more, so it stops eating the belts. Like, it's dog shit. It doesn't even work that good. I tested even with the stock, it does also power wheelies and even better times. But we left the stage 6. Clutch is Evolution, 3G Evolution, clutch bell is Doppler, and Polini Evolution variator. 21 Motoforce carburetor, old style airbox. I changed to old style because it will not collect dust. The new one collects dust, and instead of driving it like 10,000 kilometers, 15,000 kilometers with one ring, you will drive like, I don't know, 8,000. So why beautiful setup to not last? So we have that, and all the other parts are the same. You will see the results, and now I will show you on board. Front tire is stock, it's Mitas, the shit ones, little bit risky, but yeah, scooter is perfectly adjusted. We have 1.8, 1.4, torque everywhere. So basically, if here we put better exhaust, it would go over 120, and it's not gonna be a daily driver. And with the Hebo, it is a daily driver, and that's what my customer wants. And the other SR I'm doing with Athena Sport, you will see with other exhaust, it's absolutely madness. That will be coming soon. I need to tune that SR. I just started it, and I'm gonna record. So now you will see some onboard footage. Like, I mostly drive it 1/4 throttle. There is no need to go full, but I will show you full. We'll do a launch, etc. This scooter is just absolute torque monster. It's crazy. I didn't even expect this much, to be honest, with this Euro 4 ignition and platform, of course. What can I say, man? I will try here launch. Maybe it will not spin. If it doesn't spin, it goes up. It's insane. half then full, so it doesn't jump. As I said, it's overkill for daily. It's actually crazy. But you can drive it easy, so it's good. Only problem is when you land. It's way too aggressive. You see now I will do 1 millimeter, look. Now 1/4. Look. Like it's just insane. Low RPM and mid, this exhaust is absolutely crazy. Because it's made for the trap, it's insane. Like on these streets I cannot give full throttle, it's impossible. It spins, it just spins. It's kinda bad, I'm gonna be honest. If this was my scooter I don't know how you would tame it. You just can't. I overdid it. You can see the throttle is so crispy and responsive. It's a little hit. I don't wanna... I feel bad when I have this loud scooter. Like it's not good. This is one can already smell the belt from 3 launches. What the fuck? I can smell the belt. Holy